I'm going to show you how to make this birthday money card in under 5 minutes using Cricut Print Then Cut and a laminator. I used double adhesive tape, money bill, money holder, Cricut machine, laminating pouch, laminator, printed card design using Print Then Cut, Cricut mat, scissors optional. Place the printed sheet in a laminating pouch and run it through the laminator. This makes the card strong, glossy, and look store-bought. Plus, the money holder can be removed later without damaging the card. Now place it on the mat and let Cricut cut it perfectly. While the Cricut is cutting, let's prepare the money holder. Simply place adhesive tape on both sides of the holder. Now simply slide the money into the holder slot. This makes it a fun birthday card and gift at the same time. The card is ready, so let's take it off the mat. Always remove the mat from the project, not the project from the mat. Otherwise, the material may curl or even tear. I use my picking pen to remove the paper of the tape. And that's how you can make a quick birthday money card. It only takes a few minutes, and it gives your card a really professional look. If you enjoyed this project and like Cricut crafts like this, make sure to check out my channel for more easy projects, tutorials, and creative ideas. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any new projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.